How to erase in Adobe Illustrator. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can erase parts of a shape or a photograph or any other object that you will have on your canvas here in Adobe Illustrator. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we actually have a shape. Now I'm going to show you two ways we can do this. The first way is erasing parts of a line shape, so a shape that does not have a fill. And then I'm going to show you how to erase parts of this solid area over here. So let us jump straight in. On the left hand side, you will have your select tool on your toolbox, and you're going to tap on that. And you're going to select the item that we're going to be working with. So you're going to go ahead, and now you can see that it is now selected. We're going to go now again onto the left hand side, and it'll either look like an eraser or a scissors. We're going to right click on that, and you'll have the eraser tool and the scissors tool. We're going to go ahead and use the eraser tool. Now the eraser tool works like so on an object that doesn't have fill. When you click down on any point, it is going to erase that area, just like that. Now what it's going to do is it's going to create an end point on the end of wherever you've erased from. So if you continue like so, you will see that there now are endpoints over here. You can now go ahead and continue to erase however you would like. You could erase a section like that. We're going to go over now to the solid shape, and again you must make sure that your object is selected. So we're going to go over to the left hand side to the select tool, and we are going to select the solid object. Again, we're going to go and click on the eraser, and we can now erase areas over here. So let's say perhaps we'd like to erase a corner over here, just like that. And you can see now that it starts making points along your curvature where you've erased, so you can now work with this at a later stage. Let's say we want to erase some area in the middle. We can do like so, and we've erased now all the area that we've actually touched. Now, for example, if we would like to continue to erase, but we would like to change the size of the eraser, we can go ahead, and on the left hand side in your toolbar, you're going to double click on your eraser. You can see now that you have an angle, a roundness, as well as a size, and this will change the properties of the erase tool. So you can see here, of course, if it's a circle, the angle doesn't really make much of a difference. But if you're having a look at the roundness, you can do that and like that, and then you can make it bigger, and then you can change the angle as well, and then you can say okay, and all of those changes will be saved. Now you can see you can now erase with the eraser in its new size format that we created. You can also go ahead now and you can select the select tool again, and we can select the shape that doesn't have a fill. We're going to go back to the eraser, and with our larger eraser we can now erase larger sections of the shape. The scissors tool also has a few properties, so we're going to go ahead now and we're going to select the solid shape, and we are going to right click on that eraser tool, and we're going to click on the scissors tool. Now you can see that on the corners, as well as all of the shapes that we've erased, have little blue blocks on them, and those are anchor points. You can go ahead now and click down on an anchor point and hold in, and you can now create another anchor point on the other end of your shape, just like so. And now if you're clicking on the perpendicular, you can see that it erases that part of the solid color. Now this would work if you're having a look on the shape without a fill, but the scissors does not actually cut in that same way. There are a few ways that you can now erase on Adobe Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in another awesome video. Happy erasing, people. Bye bye.